Hello friends, I had completed the chapter number 1, complex number with miscellaneous exercise. You will get the link of this chapter if you click the I button of this video. Okay, now this chapter number 1, angles and its a measurement. I had completed the exercise 1.1. Also, you will get the link of this video if you click the I button of this video. Okay, now in this lecture, first all the theoretical part and all solved examples, and then all the examples from exercise 1.2. Now let us start. Let's understand. The first, arc length and area of sector. Now in this figure, that is a sector O dash ASB. This is the sector. Arc AB makes an angle of theta with the center. AB is the length of arc. R is the radius of this circle. Now see this first. The area capital A of a sector is proportional to its center angle theta. If the center angle theta is in radian, theta upon 2 pi is equals to capital A upon area of the circle. That is theta upon 2 pi is equals to capital A upon pi r square, and hence capital A is equals to theta into r square upon 2, and hence you will get capital A is equals to 1 upon 2 r square theta, and this is the formula for area of sector. Okay, the shaded portion represent the area of the sector. Next, the arc length capital S of a sector is in the proportion of its central angle. If the central angle is theta in radian, theta upon 2 pi is equals to S upon circumference of the circle. Therefore, theta upon 2 pi is equals to S upon 2 pi r, and hence you will get here the length of arc is equals to, this is the length of arc AB, and that is equals to r into theta. With these two formulas, we will solve the solved examples. Okay, the solved examples आपण बघूया. The first is the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. Find the length of arc subtending an angle of 54 degree at the center. Here the diameter is 14 centimeter. Diameter वरनं radius किती येणार? तर r is equals to 7 centimeter. Now convert this degree in radian. Therefore theta radian is equals to 54 into pi upon 180. Simplify करणार याला division देणार. Okay, 18 3s are 54 and 18 10s are 180, and hence 3 pi by 10 radian. This is the measure of angle in the radian. To find S, we know that S is equals to r theta, and hence the value of r is 7 into 3 pi by 10. Okay, now the next is the value of pi is 22 upon 7. Okay, 7 into 3 upon 10, the value of pi is 22 upon 7, and if we simplify, then you will get 66 upon 10. Okay, 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 3, 66 upon 10. Therefore, the length of arc is equals to 6.6 centimeter, and in this way, the length of arc is 6.6 centimeter. Now the next. In a circle of radius 12 centimeter, an arc PQ subtend an angle of 30 degree at the center. Find the area between the arc PQ and chord PQ. Okay. तर इथे या प्रकारे 10th स्टँडर्डला या टाईपचे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही बघितलेले असतील. Here r is equals to 12 centimeter, theta is equals to 30 degree. Therefore, we will find out theta in radian. That is 30 into pi upon 180 radian. And if we simplify, then you will get pi by 6 radian. Okay. Now see this circle. O is the center. PQ is the arc of the circle. It makes an angle of 30 degree. Now to find out first the area of the sector O dash, this is the PQ, area of the sector. Then find the area of the triangle. आता area of the triangle आपल्याला find out करायचं असेल तर आपण या Q पासून OP वरती perpendicular draw करतो. Then we get the triangle OQR. This is the right angle triangle. The angle is first is 30. Okay. We want to find out the area of the triangle. This is the base and that is a 12. Then by using the 30, 60, 90 theorem, what is the QR? QR is a half of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse किती आहे? तर 12 आहे. And therefore, this is the 6. त्याची height किती आली तर 6 आहे. And hence, area of the triangle is equals to 1/2 OP into QR. And hence, 6 into 6, then you will get 36. Okay. 36 square centimeter, that is the area of the triangle. Next, area of the sector OPQ is equals to 1/2 r square theta. That is 1/2 12 into 12 into pi by 6. Okay. And here simplification जर आपण इथे केलं, then 6 into 2 you will get 12. 12 get cancelled and you will get 12 pi square centimeter. Next, QR is perpendicular to OP. Sin theta is equals to QR upon the hypotenuse 12 and hence QR is equals to 12 into 1/2. Therefore, the height of the triangle OPQ is 6. Or using 30, 60, 90 theorem, you can directly find out it. Okay, now the area of the triangle OPQ 1/2 base into height. Base is at 12. हा base किती आहे तर 12 आहे. Height किती आहे तर 6 आहे. Okay, you will get the area of the triangle 36 square centimeter. आपल्याला काय find out करायचे? We want to find out the shaded portion. You have completed this type of the problems in 10th standard. म्हणजे काय करतो आपण? Area of the sector मधनं हा area of the triangle minus करतो. Okay. Now the area of the triangle is 36 square centimeter. Therefore, from 1 and 2. Okay, this is the area of the sector 12 pi square centimeter. And the area of the triangle 36 square centimeter. Therefore, the required area, that is area of the sector OPQ minus area of the triangle OPQ, 12 pi minus 36 square centimeter. Take the pi 12 as a common, then in bracket you will get pi minus 3. That is the 12 into in bracket pi minus 3 square centimeter is the required area. Next, the area of a circle is 225 square centimeter. Find the length of its arc subtending an angle of 120 degree at the center. Also find the area of the corresponding sector. Now the solution. Let small r be the radius of a circle whose area is 225 square centimeter. Okay. Area of a circle त्याने दिलेलं आपल्याला त्यावरून आपण काय फाइंड आउट करणार तर रेडियस फाइंड आउट करणार. We want to find out the length of arc subtending at angle of 120 degree at the center. The length of arc find out करायचं आपल्याला when the theta is 120. And also we want to find out the area of the sector. पण या एरियावरून आपण काय फाइंड आउट केलं इथे? We have find out the radius of the circle. Okay. Now theta is equals to 120. त्याचा रेडियन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करणार 120 into pi upon 180. And if we simplify, then you will get here that is first 0 is cancelled and next is a 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. That is a 2 pi by 3 radian. This is the theta. To find S and A means what? Length of arc and area of the sector. We know that S is equals to r theta and the capital A is equals to 1/2 r square theta. Therefore, S is equals to 15 into 2 pi by 3 and that is equals to, if we simplify this and then you will get here that is a 5 into 2 pi. Therefore, that is nothing but the S is equals to 10 pi centimeter and this is the length of arc. Area of sector, that is a capital A is equals to 1/2 r square into theta. Okay, r is 15 and theta is 2 pi by 3, which is in the radian. And if you simplify this, then you will get here 2 get cancelled first of all, and 3 ones are and 3 fives are 15. 15 into 5, that is a 75 pi, and hence this is the area of the sector, that is a 70 pi square centimeter. Length of the arc is 10 pi centimeter. Okay. Now the next problem. The perimeter of a sector is equals to half of the circumference of a circle. Find the measure of the angle of the sector at the center in radian. Okay. That is the perimeter of the sector. The perimeter of sector means what? That is r plus r and this length of the arc, which is the AB. That is equals to half of the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Let here r be the radius of the circle. Okay, r is the radius of the circle. Now the next, perimeter of sector is the half of the circumference. Therefore, length of OA plus length of OB plus length of the arc ABB. This is the perimeter of the sector, and that is equals to 1 upon 2 in bracket 2 pi r. Here 2 get cancelled. OA is r, OB is r, and the length of r, that is r into theta. That is equals to pi r. R plus r, that is become 2r plus r into theta is equals to pi r. Okay. Now the next, here is r get cancelled from the all the terms. सर्व terms मधून आपण r cancel करणार. 2 plus theta is equals to pi, and hence theta is equals to pi minus 2 radian. Okay. This is the angle made by this arc with the center. Okay. आणि तेच आपल्याला काय find out करायचं होतं. Okay. Find the measure of the angle of the sector at the center in radian. That is the angle made by this sector at the center. That is a theta is equals to pi minus 2 radian. Next problem. A pendulum of the length 21 centimeter oscillates through an angle of 36 degree. Find the length of its path. Here r is equals to 21 centimeter. Okay. And we want to find out this length of r. It makes an angle of 36 degree at the center. Therefore, theta is equals to 36. We will convert this degree in radian. We will multiply this by pi upon 180. That is 36 into pi upon 180. And if we simplify, 36 are 1 and 36 are 5 as a 180. पाचवा त्याला division जाईल. Therefore, theta is equals to pi by 5 radian. Now the length of arc, that is the length of AXB. Suppose that here x, that is equals to S is equals to r into theta. Okay, that is the length, that is the radius is 21. Theta is pi by 5, and substitute the value of first is 21 upon 5 into. Next, the pi by pi is a 22 upon 7. And if we simplify this, then here you will get, that is 7 ones are 1 and 7 threes are 21. 22 into 3, you will get 66 upon 5. And hence the length of arc is equals to 13.2 centimeter. Okay. Easy question. Now the next. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a regular octagon inscribed in a circle of radius 9 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc AB. We want to find out the length of minor arc AB. And the radius of the circle is 9 centimeter. आपल्याला length find out करायचे. Theta देखील आपल्याला find out करावं लागणार आहे. This central angle theta is nothing but 360 upon 8. Okay, that is the number of the side. Therefore, 360 upon 8 is equals to 45 degree. That is pi by 4 radian. And hence, Length of arc AB, S is equals to r theta. R is 9. Okay, that we have given the radius of the circle. 9 into pi by 4 radian, the value of the theta. And if you multiply, then you will get 9 pi by 4 centimeter. This is the length of the arc. Okay, length of minor arc AB. Okay, now the next. We'll start the exercise 1.2. First example. Find the length of an arc of a circle which subtends an angle of 108 degree at the center. If the radius of the circle is 15 centimeter, here r is equals to 15 centimeter and theta is equals to 108. Convert it into the radian. 108 into pi upon 180. And जर आपण ते simplify केले, then you will get here 36 into 3, you will get 108, and 36 into 5, you will get 180, and hence the theta is equals to, in radian, 3 pi by 5 radian. Now the length of arc S is equals to r theta. The value of r is 15 and the theta is 3 pi by 5 radian. Okay, 3 ones are 5 ones are 1 and 5 3s are 15, and therefore you will get here 9 pi centimeter. This is the length of arc. Okay, now the next problem. The radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. Find the length of an arc of this circle which cut off a chord of length equal to length of radius. Okay, AB, this is the chord of the length that is equals to the radius. Radius of circle is 9. Okay, काय find out करायचं आपल्याला? That is the length of the arc. That is we want to find out this AB. And to find out this AB, the length of arc is equals to r into theta. R is there. We want to find out this theta 1. And again, same angle. Here is a theta 1. Okay. आपल्याला तो theta 1 find out करायचा. And here the, what is the condition? This chord, length of this chord AB is equals to the radius of the circle. Radius of circle किती येतं 9. I think 9 centimeter. Therefore, AM is equals to 9 by 2. Now, this is the theta 1 by 30, 60, 90 there. This is the AM is the half of the hypotenuse. Therefore, measure of this angle is a 30 degree. And हा देखील किती येणार? 30 degree. Hence, the angle made by this arc AB to the center is 60 degree. Now see this here. Let AB be the chord of the circle with the center at O, such that length of chord AB is equals to 9 centimeter. Let OM be the perpendicular drawn from the center O to the chord AB. Then M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. AM is equals to 1 upon 2. This is the 1 upon 2. AM is equals to length of AB. That is a 9 by 2. AB is a 9. 9 by 2, and that is equals to 1 upon 2 into OA. Okay. That is a side opposite to the angle. Theta 1 is the half of the radius, that is half of the hypotenuse. And hence that angle must be 30 degree. Or you can find out using this. The right angle triangle OMA. This is the right angle triangle OMA. What's happening? That is a AM upon OA. AM upon OA. AM is 9 by 2. OA is a 9. And then you will get 1 upon 2. And hence sine of theta is equals to sine 30 degree. And hence theta is equals to 30 degree. And therefore the measure of angle AOB. This is the AOB. 30 plus 30, and that is equals to 60 degree. Convert this 60 to the radian, that is 60 into pi upon 180, and therefore here you will get pi by 3 radian. So the length of arc S is equals to r theta. Okay, 9 into pi by 3, you will get 3 pi centimeter. and hence the length of arc is equals to 3 pi centimeter. Okay. Next problem, find the angle in degree subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is 15 centimeter if the radius of the circle is 25 centimeter. Here r is equals to 25 centimeter, s is equals to 15 centimeter. Okay. Theta radian be the angle subtended by the arc at the center of the circle. S is equals to r theta. Therefore, 15 is equals to 25 theta. Okay. And therefore, theta is equals to 15 upon 25. If we simplify, then you will get 3 by 5 radian. 1 radian means what? 180 upon pi theta. And hence, the 3 by 5 radian, convert this into the degree. That is 3 by 5 into त्याला कशाने multiply करना 180 upon pi. And if you simplify, then you will get 108 upon pi. The value of pi is a 3.14, and hence after the simplification you will get the theta is equals to 34.40 degree, which is the approximately, and this is the required angle. Okay. Length of arc वरनं आपल्याला theta find out करायचा आहे. Next, a pendulum of the length 14 centimeter oscillates through an angle of 18 degree. Find the length of its path. म्हणजे length of arc find out करायचा आहे. S be the length of path described by extremity of the pendulum. S is equals to r theta. R is 14 centimeter. Theta is 18 degree. Therefore, convert this to the radian. Theta into pi upon 180 and theta 18 ones and 18 tens. That is pi by 10 radian. S is equals to r theta. The value of r is 40 into, and theta is pi by 10. And again, if we simplify, then you will get 7 pi by 5. Okay. The value of pi is 3.14. And again, the simplification, you will get here 21.98 upon 5. That is equals to 4.4 centimeter approximately. And hence, the length of path is equals to 4.4 centimeter. तुम्ही ते calculation करू शकताय. Okay. This is the length of the path. Okay. Now the next problem. Two arcs of the same length subtend angles of 60 degree and 75 degree at the centers of the circles. What is the ratio of the radii of the two circles? Okay. Now here there are the two circles. If I draw the first circle, this is the first one, and this is the second one. Okay. They subtend an angle of 60 degree and 75 degree, and the length of the arc are equal. Suppose this is the radius r1 and the next has the radius r2. Okay, this is the angle. Okay. What is the ratio of the radii of the two circles? Okay, let r1 and r2 be the radii of the two circles whose arcs of the length s. मात्र दोघांचं arc of the length कसं आहे? The same आहे. This is the same one. This is theta 1 and here is a theta 2. Okay. The measures of the angles are 60 degree and the 75 degree at the centers of the circle. First आपण इथे treat करूया 60 degree and this is theta 2 is a 75. S1 is equals to R1 theta 1, but the theta 1 is 60. Convert to the radian, 60 into pi upon 180, and again you will get here pi by 3. Okay, here is a pi by 3 radian. Therefore, S is equals to R1 into pi by 3 and pi into R1 upon 3. This is the length of first arc. Next is S is equals to R2 theta 2. R2 is 75. Convert to the radian. 75 into pi upon 180. and hence it is a 5 pi by 12. Therefore, S is equals to 5 pi R2 upon 12. This is the second. But these two lengths are same. Okay, जरी दोन सर्कल्स असली वेगवेगळी त्यांच्या रेडियस डिफरंट आहेत, angles different आहेत, but their length of arc are equal, and therefore we will equate this. What is that? Pi R1 upon 3, 5 pi R2 upon 12. Equate it, and here the pi will get cancelled. Okay, and 3 1s are 1 and 3 4s are 12. And therefore, this R1 upon R2 is equals to 5 upon 4. Okay, R1 upon R2 is equals to 5 upon 4. किंवा नंतर तुम्ही असंही सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकता 15 by 12 and then you will get 5 by 4. And hence the ratio of the radii of the circle is 5:4. Okay, simple problem है. दोन different circles है, but their length of arc are equal. Radius are different. Find the ratio of their radii. Now the next problem. The area of the circle is 25 square centimeter. Find the length of its arc subtending an angle of 144 degree at the center. Area of the circle दिलेला आहे. We want to find out the area of the arc. S is equals to r theta. Okay, S is equals to r theta. आपल्याला theta दिलेला आहे. We want to find out this arc with the help of the area of the circle. Let r be the radius of the circle. Pi r square is equals to 25 pi, and hence r square is equals to 25. R is equals to 5 centimeter. Theta is equals to 144 is equals to 144 into pi upon 180. And if we simplify, then you will get here that is a 4 pi by 5 radian. Length of arc S is equals to r theta, and substitute the value of r, that is 5, and theta is a 4 pi by 5, and that is equals to 4 pi centimeter, and hence the length of arc S is equals to 4 pi centimeter. Okay, that's we want to find out. ते आपल्याला शोधायचं. Now the next, area of the corresponding sector 1 upon 2 r square theta. The value of r is 5 and theta is a 4 pi by 5, and if we simplify again this, then you will get here 10 pi. Okay, हे 25 आपल्याला मिळणार आहे. एक 5 कट होणार त्यामधलं. Here 2 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, and therefore you will get here 10 pi. Therefore the area of the corresponding sector is equals to 10 pi square centimeter. Okay, 10 standard set questions are सर्व ते. Next, OAB is a sector. OAB is a sector of the circle having the center at O and the radius is 12 centimeter. If the measure of angle AOB is equals to 45 degree, find the difference between area of the sector and the triangle AOB. Okay, इथे measure दिलं त्याने आपल्याला, that is equals to 45 degree. Okay. आता आपल्याला area of the triangle find out करायचं आहे. From B, we will draw the perpendicular BD to OA, and that is the height of this triangle. Okay, that is the side opposite to angle 45. He is the BD, and this is nothing but the 1 upon root 2 into this hypotenuse OB. That is the height of this triangle, and we can find out the area of the triangle 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, therefore OA is equals to OB is equals to R, that is equals to 12 centimeter. Measure of angle AOB is equals to 45. Therefore convert this degree to the radian. 45 into pi upon 180 radian, and that is equals to pi by 4 radian. Theta is pi by 4 radian. Now the area of the sector OAB is equals to 1 upon 2 r square into theta. That is 1 upon 2 12 square into pi by 4, and hence if we simplify it, then you will get 18 pi square centimeter. What is this? This is the area of the sector. Now to find out the area of the triangle. Okay, BD is a perpendicular from B to OA meeting at D. Perpendicular meeting at D. In right angle triangle, OBD, BD upon OB, that is equals to sine of 45. This is the sine of 45. Okay, and therefore the sin 45 चा घेतला तर BD upon OB आणि OB ची व्हॅल्यू आपण सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. sin 45 पण माहिती आपल्याला 1 by root 2. Okay, therefore BD is equals to OB into 45, that is a 12 into 1 by root 2. You will get 12 upon root 2 multiplied करना है numerator denominator ला root 2 ने, and therefore you will get here 12 into 1 upon root 2 multiplied n and b by root 2. This is root 2 upon root 2. Root 2 into root 2 to 12 upon 2, you will get 6 root 2. Okay, and this is the height. Therefore, area of the triangle AOB is equals to 1 upon 2 OA into BD. OA is a 12, BD is a 6 root 2. This 2 1 7 and 2 6 are 12. 6 into 6, 36 into root 2 square centimeter. This is the area of the triangle. And hence the difference between the areas of the sector OAB and the triangle AOB is equals to 18 pi minus 36 root 2. Okay, 18 common here, pi minus 2 root 2 square centimeter. And hence the difference between the areas of the sector OAB and the triangle AOB is equals to 18 in bracket pi minus 2 root 2 square centimeter. Okay. Now the next. Question number 8. OPQ is a sector of the circle having the center at O. Radius is 15 centimeter. Measure of angle POQ is a 30 degree. POQ is a 30 degree. Find the area enclosed by the arc PQ and the chord PQ. We want to find out the shaded region. Okay. OP is equals to OQ is equals to R. That is the radius of the circle. Measure of angle POQ kiti 30 degree. And if you draw the perpendicular, and by again the 30, 60, 90 theorem, we can find out this height QR, and that is half of this hypotenuse. Okay, म्हणजे height किती येणार 15 upon 2. Can find out the area of this triangle. Area of sector easy आहे. Okay, 1 upon 2 r square into theta. Okay, पुन्हा बघा, measure of angle POQ is a 30 degree. Convert this degree to the radian. 30 into pi upon 180. Okay, that is a pi by 6 radian. The area of the sector OPQ 1 upon 2 r square into theta. R is 15. 1 upon 2 15 into pi by 6. Normal simplification is there. You will get here 75 pi by 4 square centimeter. Now let QR be the perpendicular drawn from Q to OP. This is the QR. Okay. Therefore QR is equals to 1 upon 2 into OQ, that is a 15 by 2 centimeter. And hence area of the triangle is equals to OP into QR. OP is a 15, QR is a 15 by 2. And if we simplify it, then you will get 225 upon 4 square centimeter. And hence area between the arc PQ, and the triangle, and the chord PQ. Arc PQ, this is the arc PQ and the chord PQ. Area between them is, this is the shaded portion. Okay, that is equals to area of the sector OPQ minus area of the triangle OPQ. That is 75. 75 pi by 4 minus 225 by 4. Take the 225 by 4 and then in bracket you will get pi by 3. आता इथे 225 याच्याकडे नाही, that is multiplied n and d by 3. Then you will get 225 upon 12. And if you take the 225 by 4 common, then in bracket you will get pi by 3 minus 1 square centimeter. And hence the area between arc PQ and the chord PQ is equals to 225 by 4 in bracket pi by 3 minus 1 square centimeter. Okay. Now the next problem. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of area 25 square centimeter is a 20. Okay, area of the circle के दिया था 25 centimeter. त्याचा perimeter, sectorचा perimeter is a 20 centimeter. Find the area of the sector. Okay, first we find out the area radius of the circle with the help of its area of the circle. Pi r square is equals to 25 and hence r is equals to 5 centimeter. Perimeter of the sector is 20 centimeter. Perimeter means what? The length of r. Okay, see this here. Perimeter, it is, if I consider here, this is r plus r and s. That s plus 2r is equals to 20. R is 5. 2 into 5 is 10. S is equals to 20 minus 10. That is s is equals to 10 centimeter. S is equals to r theta. S is 10 is equals to 5 into theta. And therefore theta is equals to 2 radian. Area of the sector is equals to 1 upon 2 r square theta. And hence 1 upon 2 r is 5 bracket square into theta is 2 radian. And that is equals to 25 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the sector is equals to 25 square centimeter. Now the next problem. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of area 64 pi square centimeter is a 56 centimeter. Find the area of the sector. The radius of a circle be r centimeter and the area of the circle is a pi r square is equals to 64 pi and hence r is equals to 8 centimeter. पुन्हा perimeter दिले त्याने, it is a 20 centimeter. S plus 2r is equals to 56, r is 8, 2 into 8, 16. Therefore, S plus 16 is equals to 56. S is equals to 40 centimeter. S is equals to r theta. Substitute the value of S, 40, r is 8 and theta into theta. Therefore, theta is equals to 40 upon 8 radian and therefore theta is equals to 5 radian. What about the area of the sector? 1 upon 2 r square into theta. R is 8, 1 upon 2, 8 square into 5 and hence you will get 32 into 5 if we simplify. That is 64 upon 2, 32 into 5 square centimeter. Their multiplication is 160 square centimeter and hence the area of the sector is 160 square centimeter. Easy problems that सर्व ते. And in this way, we have completed the exercise 1.2. Okay. आणि त्याचबरोबर मी पुन्हा तुम्हाला असं सांगेल की if you click the I button, you will get the all my previous lectures video. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.